Tired of mindlessly clicking to get your fish? Today, we're building an AFK fish farm that does all the work for you. First, we'll need to find a suitable spot. Look for an area near water with at least a 2-block depth. You'll also need some basic building blocks like planks, fence posts, a water bucket, a cauldron, a sign, a trapdoor, a hopper, a chest, and of course, a fishing rod with any enchantments you might have. Start by digging a 2x2 area in the ground. Place your chest in the center. Then place a hopper on top of the chest. This hopper will collect all the items from the farm. Now, build a 3x3 square of blocks around the hopper, leaving the hopper exposed in the middle. The height of this square should be at least 3 blocks tall on all sides. On one side of this structure, place a sign directly in front of the hopper. This sign will prevent us from fishing up the hopper itself. Next, place a trapdoor on the fence post directly above the sign. This will act as our activation point. Now for the water, place a water bucket at one corner of the 3x3 structure, ensuring the water flows towards the hopper but doesn't go over the sign and trapdoor. We're almost there. Now, place a fence post directly next to the trapdoor, on the outer edge of the 3x3 structure. This is where we'll stand to fish. Finally, place a cauldron next to your fence post. This isn't strictly necessary for the farm to work, but it can help with item collection in some more complex designs, and it looks nice. Stand by the fence post, cast your line aiming for the space between the sign and the trapdoor, and hold down your right click. Your fishing rod will automatically reel in, and your catches will be sent to the chest below. Enjoy your unlimited fish.